There are several ways to rid your place of fruit flies for good, and they're eco-friendly as well. From DIY traps to homemade sprays, here's how to exterminate those pests. Make an apple cider vinegar trap. Since fruit flies can't resist the smell of vinegar, you can make a homemade trap to help kill them. Pour a little apple cider vinegar into a glass and cover the opening with plastic wrap and a rubber band. Poke small holes into the plastic cover for the fruit flies to enter, and they won't be able to exit once they're inside the glass. Try a DIY dish soap trap. If you have no plastic wrap on hand, no problem. You can make a similar homemade fruit fly trap with vinegar and dish soap instead. Add a few drops of dish soap to a bowl of vinegar and leave it uncovered on your countertop. The soap cuts the surface tension of the vinegar so the flies sink and drown. Make your own alcohol spray. As tempting as it may be to buy over-the-counter pesticides, here's a safer alternative. Put in a spray bottle around 90% strength rubbing alcohol. This can be bought online or in a hardware store. Spray a mist of rubbing alcohol in the area where you're finding lots of fruit flies. You'll find it's effective at killing the flies on contact and less harmful than conventional pesticides. The three other more general ways to reduce fruit flies are fix your window screens. Fruit flies are tiny, which makes it easy for them to enter your home through even the tiniest of openings, particularly ones around your windows. One of the first things people can do to prevent fruit fly outbreaks is to have functioning window screens. You should also seal any gaps around the windows, especially ones around air conditioners. Don't store fruits and vegetables on your countertops. Like moths to a flame, fruit flies are attracted to, fruit. That's why it should come as no surprise that you should not keep your produce out on the counter. Since eggs can be found in ripening fruits bought from stores, we suggest storing all fruits and vegetables inside refrigerators. Any fruits and vegetables that are stored on countertops should be washed well and covered. Deep clean your kitchen, drain, and trash cans. Once fruit flies have infiltrated your living space, deep cleaning your kitchen will remove all conditions conducive for them to thrive. Clean your kitchen, drain, and garbage disposal with boiling water. It's also important to keep garbage disposals and sinks clean and empty trash cans often, especially if they contain food items or empty alcohol bottles. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on 11 effective home remedies for getting rid of flies. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.